So did you know that when people use plastic to make purchases rather than cash, they spend 17% more? Let me say that again. When we use plastic to make our purchases rather than using cash, we tend to spend about 17% more money than we do with cash. That shouldn't be too surprising though, because if you think about it, when you use plastic to make a purchase, you go to the store, if something costs 50 cents, you give them your card, they run it, and they give you your card back. If something costs $50, it's the same practice. They give you your card, or you give them your card, they run it, they give you your card back. And you don't really feel the difference because they give you your whole card back either way. But if you have to break $100 bill, if you have to break a $50 bill, $20 bill, you feel that because then they're giving you some change. Now, this is somewhat of an old stat, but I think it's still informative because when we used to carry more cash and people would choose whether to use cash or plastic, uh, it would make sense to say that part of the solution is to carry cash. Now that's even less of a reality. People are carrying even less cash now than they were 10 years ago, 20 years ago. So what's the fix? Well, part of it is some of the things that we talk about in our Money Talk workshop. One of the first things is just tracking your expenses and understanding where you spend your money. And then one of the second things is budgeting your dollars so that you know where you plan to spend your money, right? Those are ways that you can get control of your dollars because this whole idea of spending money differently based on whether you're using plastic or cash, that's part of what behavioral economics call mental accounting, where we might make illogical choices depending on subjective criteria. So sometimes we spend money differently based on how we got that money. So if it was a gift, or if we suddenly came into some money, lottery winnings, for example, versus if we earn the money, we tend to treat it differently. The same with how we spend it, whether we're spending it using some digital form of payment or whether it's cash. All of that mental accounting can lead to some bad choices. But if we are intentional about how we spend our money, then it leads us walking towards our goals. So we have to do some things, especially easy things that can help us to reach our financial goals. One of those things is to attend our conference that's coming up next Saturday, April 24th. And so if you haven't already registered, I want to invite you to get registered today. You go to our website to do that, projectgreengr.org, projectgreengr.org, and you can register for the conference. It doesn't cost you anything. So that's part of why it's easy, is you can do it for free. You can invite friends and family to join you, and you're going to get some valuable information and some valuable resources from this great panel of speakers that we have lined up for you. It's going to be interactive. It'll be engaging. It's a virtual event. And so you can win some door prizes, as it were, some giveaway items. And one of those will be actually, we're going to pay for a life insurance premium for one winner. So we'll talk more about that as well. So get signed up, and I hope to see your name pop up in the registration. And then we hope to see you next Saturday at our Project Green Economic Empowerment Conference, co-hosted by the Kent County Tax Credit Coalition and my friend Brenda Brain. Look forward to seeing you there.